Hi there, it's Steve Rees from the Department of Theater and Dance at SUNY Fredonia, and this is in response to a question that was posted on the Stagecraft mailing list, and this is going to end up being posted on the Theater and Dance blog that our good friend Tom Laughlin will put up momentarily. So anyway, this is about spiral staircases and how to build them, and I hope this comes out. And here we go. So this particular staircase that's being built right now has been designed for our production of Kiss Me Kate. This actually goes up in a little over a month, and I think the important thing, as I mentioned in the post that I put to the listserv, is that this spiral staircase consists of a series of individual frames that incrementally grow as the step unit gets taller and taller. The important thing here is that you'll notice that there's a cleat attached to the face of this frame right here, and the top edge of this cleat is at the same height as the top edge of the leading frame. So we've got our tread resting at equal heights. Okay? And depending on the height of the staircase and depending on what the rise is, we'll have fewer or greater of these individual frames. It's a little longer shot, about mid-height. This particular set of stairs has, I believe it's a 7-inch rise for each of the treads, and in addition to that, this is also on a castered wagon, and so we also have to compensate for the height of the casters and the platform that the casters are sitting underneath. There's a little bit of temporary legging underneath the onstage edge of this set of stairs that you can see down there. But essentially the frames are really nothing more than a basic flat frame. These happen to have been glued and stapled. That's fairly common practice in our shop. They're also not particularly wide. I believe they're only about 28 inches in width, if I'm not mistaken. This is actually a double curved set of stairs. The upper portion of these stairs get a little bit wider, a little bit narrower. They're only about 26 inches in width, if I'm not mistaken. The funny thing that you see stuck on the side of this particular staircase is something that we're doing here. This is really, I think, the second time that we've done this. It's a method of creating a laminated handrail. Let me walk around to the other side of this. It's a method of creating a laminated handrail that will meet the curve of the staircase in almost one continuous run. We're still in early days putting this together. Some portions of it are nice and smooth. Others of it are going to have to be worked out a little bit. Because the radius changed, that means that the pitch of the stairs changes and the shape of the helix also changes in this handrail. And so that's what this joint is all about here. We'll trim that down and smooth it out so that it blends in a fairly even flow when the time comes. But we've got an inside and outside handrail in this particular staircase here. It's been quite a challenge. I think the interesting thing is that in our shop we don't have professional carpenters. Everything is built by undergraduates, and in particular this staircase is under the supervision of a young lady who is a sophomore in the production design area. And anyway, so that's our staircase. And if you've got any questions, feel free to contact me. You can find me on the Stagecraft listserv, and you can find my personal email address there as well. And so there you go. Hope you've enjoyed this.